Hello everyone, welcome to Research Academy. This is Sudipta, founder of Research. Today we are going to talk about best LLM colleges for corporate laws in India. Now please watch this video till the end so you will get a list of colleges that you can have if you want to pursue your LLM in specialization of corporate laws in India. So let's start the video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe to it and press the bell icon. So let's start the video. Corporate laws are the most demanding specialization in LLM. Lot of the students, or I can say the maximum students, they want to go for the corporate laws in LLM. And the reason is very simple. Either they will get placed after the LLM, and that is the case also. And the second important thing, after completion of your LLM in corporate laws, you will get a tier 1 or tier 2 corporate firm will hire you if you have the corporate law specialization. So that is the two reason the students they want to go for the corporate law specialization. So let's look at the colleges where you can have your corporate law specialization in LLM. The people who are going for the business laws, उन लोगों के लिए बहुत आसान है, क्योंकि देखो the most important thing business laws में जो है कि lot of the university or maximum of the universities they provide specialization in business laws. तो उतना प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, उतना झंझट है नहीं, ठीक है. तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई, और आपको एक नहीं मिलेगा तो दूसरे में मिल जाएगा, दूसरा नहीं मिलेगा तो तीसरे में मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. सो बट दिस इज द हियर इज द लिस्ट. तो फर्स्ट वन इज द एनएलएसआई बैंगलोर. सो इट्स ए नो ब्रेनर, यू कैन डेफिनेटली चूज the NLSI Bangalore for all the business and corporate law people. The second one is Nalsar, and third one is NEJUS. Now it's not like a second Nalsar a third NEJUS. If you want to go for NEJUS second or Nalsar third, or even if you are from West Bengal, so definitely they the students prefer the NEJUS over the NLS sometimes, क्योंकि आपको relocate नहीं करना होता है. तो the Nalsar and NEJUS third. Fourth is NLIU Bhopal. The fourth one is the NLIU Bhopal. Bhopal is also there in the list. You can definitely try Bhopal as well. Now fifth, Jodhpur, as always good. And sixth one is HNLU Raipur. Seventh is GNLU. And I'll say after that it's moreover each and every NLU except the Nuals Kochi. Each and every NLU they provide the corporate law or business law specialization, so you can definitely try. I just given you out the top 8 preferences, and after that उसके बाद जो भी मिलता है you can definitely try for it. Okay, this is the list for corporate law colleges for your LLM. Now what's your specialization? If your special might not be corporate law, so what's your specialization? Can you comment below? Would like to know that, and we're going to make a video on your specialization. What would be the top law colleges in your specialization? And the next important thing that I want to say, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe to it and press the bell icon. So we're going to meet again. See you soon. Thank you.